Today we're going to be talking about the Creative Mark butterfly panel. On the front side, it's got a beautifully mounted Pissarro oil primed linen that gives you a nice natural linen surface for oil painting. On the back side, it's got a multimedia artboard that is a combination of paper pulp and thermal resin that's put on there. What this panel is going to give you the ability to do is, besides being able to do just basic oil sketches and paintings in the field, it's going to also give you the ability to do ink sketches. This is a permanent ink pen on the panel. Here is ink pen with watercolor. It'll actually accept watercolor and shows it really nicely with studies. There is just one of our ebony pencils for a quick sketch. And this is even just Conte. I was curious to see if Conte or pastel or something like that would work on it. Gives you the ability to do that as well. The beauty of these panels, besides that it gives you this really luxurious oil primed linen for traveling, the oil primed linen has a really nice kind of more medium texture. So for plein air painting, you're typically going to be using heavier, more impasto style painting, not doing thin washes and things like that. So it's going to actually grab your paint really nicely when you're on the go. But this multimedia board gives you the opportunity to be able to do some different types of sketching and surfaces while you're out and about. You don't have to bring a sketchbook anymore with these. You don't have to manage watercolor blocks to keep them from curling, watercolor paper curling, or have stretched watercolor paper. And these are just beautifully thin. I don't know if you can get a close-up of that. It's 1/32, which I mean, it's just so nice and thin. I don't even know if it's that. When you've got all these stacked up, you've got 10 for this pack. That's all you've got for 10 artworks to be able to take on a trip. If you buy a pack of 10 8x10s, that's only 2 pounds. So if you're traveling abroad, if you're flying, if you're going to be backpacking in somewhere to be able to do oil and other media sketches, or even, serious paintings, you've got the ability to take a whole bunch of these and still be able to carry things easily, not be breaking your back trying to carry all your supplies. So the Pissarro butterfly panels are just a really, really nice product for the plein air painter, or for people who travel a lot with work and maybe want to be able to take their painting supplies along. So give them a try.